Hello, people. Well, the great Converter Saga continues. I got that new converter back from ETC that they had built and was so far off. And had it sent back in and they adjusted it, and I ran it this last weekend. And it's still about 300 to 400 RPM short. It's only flashing about 4,500. So took it back out, and they're gonna build me an 8-inch converter instead. So hopefully I'll have that pretty soon. But in the meantime, I had my old converter originally in here rebuilt by a top line converter. So I've got it in there now. Just got done swapping it again here after the, I guess this is about the 5th time, yeah. So anyway, in 2 months. So we're gonna try, it looks like it's gonna rain this weekend, but hopefully not, because I need to try this one to make sure it's good. Hopefully it's right. And I'll get that 8-inch converter, and then in 2 or 3 weeks I'll swap this again and put that in and run it and try it, see what it's like. There's no way to do it other than to put it in the car and try it. So we'll see what happens. But I'll show you a couple of the runs. I didn't have anybody at the track Saturday to film for me, so all I got is a couple GoPro in car. I'll show you like the first time trial run, and then I won 2nd round eliminations. That's as far as I got. I lost 3rd round. I spun and wasn't a good night really. But the converter, I mean, at least it flashed consistently, but it was way too low, so it slowed the car down. Hopefully it'll be straightened out now, I hope, because I'm really getting tired of this transmission in and out stuff. So we'll see. Okay, so the first time run, the air was terrible. It had rained that day. Humidity was started out at 75%, and it just kept going up all night. The DA was 22 to 24 or 500 feet all day. Temperatures around 78 to 82 degrees. This was the first time trial. So the converter only flashed 4,500. The 156 60 foot. They got the 330 timers fixed now, so that's a good deal. And it ran 719.81. Like I said, even for this air, with the way I got the car set up now, with the weight, some of the weight off of it, it really, with the right, my old converter, it should be running between 710 and 715 really. But anyway, or at least it should. So I'll show you that in car here. Okay, so here's my one lone win that night, elimination 2nd round. So 60 foot was pretty decent. 720. These two are even. This one I was a little off there. I spun or something, I'm not sure. But these were all pretty close. I mean, that's the farthest one off. 719.81, 2030, 20. So they were all pretty decent here. But anyway, but the humidity kept going up. It was 90% by the end of the night. And the last run I spun, and it wasn't good. So that run, but anyway, so all right, I'll show you this in car, this one. So I'm hoping that to get to run it this weekend, and hopefully this converter's good. I sure hope so. So I can leave it in for a while and save myself swapping this out again right away. But anyway, so that's a little update on the my converter saga that still is going on right now. So if I don't get to run this weekend, it's showing rain for the weekend, so I don't know if we'll get to go or not, but I'm gonna try to for sure. Got to get this tested again. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.